everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 white planner and CD stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using the Graceful Muse Paperie December Mystery from 2025, and it is called The Night Before or Night Before. So yeah, it's so pretty. So this will be the week of Christmas. So yeah, this will be my last spread for 2025. So yeah, stick around. Alright, so let us start off with the month. And I am using the December sticker, that big sticker. I love it that I'm able to use it in a spread because it's like, where can I use it for? Because it already has the dates on it. So it's a good use of that sticker for buy spreads. And usually I do memory spreads. So even if this comes late, like the mystery subscription comes late, I can still use it for my memory planner. So that's good. All right. So I did use this really pretty doll sticker from the kit. And then of course another big sticker, which is the house. I just love how it looks. The house looks so pretty and so festive. And then I'll just be putting a lot of florals up above and also on the above the bottom washi that I used. And I think more stickers just around that area. I think a snowman, I'll put down a snowman and just more florals. And then the foil, I'll put down some trees and I think some snowflakes, and just some simple foil items. Not really a lot. I think maybe some decorate. I should have gone I should have gone with a lot because it's like Christmas, right? A lot of foil, but I think I did not do a lot for this one. So I did use another big sticker, and this is the one inside the house. So you're like having your Christmas feast, and it's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful house with the tree and the decorated table. There's like a table set already for it, and then I'm just using the rest of the deco from the kit to have just work around with that big sticker, and then some more florals and some more foil. So yeah, that's basically it for this spread. Not a lot of stuff going on. Okay, let's get to the day today. So, for the 22nd of December, I actually did have PTO or paid time off, or I had vacation for like 2 weeks and it started today. And oh my gosh, that was such a great 2 weeks. I'm just staying at home actually. So, I did start off with reading The Will of the Many. So, this is like this super thick book. It's an epic fantasy, and actually, I haven't finished it yet. It's such a thick book, and I'm like reading it like the physical book, and it's just so heavy to lug around or even like prop up. So I'm like, yeah, let's leave it for a little bit. I will try to get back to that again, but there's so many good reviews of it, so I'm like, yeah, we're gonna get to it someday. But at the moment, I already started it. It's pretty good actually. Like you're trying to understand what's happening in it, like it's just a lot of world building that you need to know about. So yeah, that was Will of the Many, and then I was able to upload the advent calendar from Pretty Pink Go, and then I was also able to get a massage that day. And so on Tuesday, I was able to film a plan with me. So there's a lot of plan with me's going on for this 2 weeks because yeah, I had the time, and it was good. I was able to binge watch. I did finish Emily in Paris finally. Um, Not as good as the first ever season, but yeah, it's at least we got to get to go back to see Paris again. But yeah, you find out in that because she did go to Italy, right? So some stuff happened, and yeah, I did get my desk chair. So we did order a desk chair because my chair here in the office is like already it doesn't want to, it keeps going down. It's and then every time I put it up again, it'll go down again. So I'm so irritated with it. So good thing my husband had some benefits that we were able to use to buy a chair, a desk chair. And then on Wednesday, I did get Happy Mail from, who did I get Happy Mail from? Oh, I got my Fairy Loot book that I subscribed to, and this is the 24th. So of course I did wrap up some gifts, prepared for the Noche Buena that we have. So Noche Buena is we have this feast at like 12 midnight to greet, the Christmas season or at least Christmas Day. So we did have that with food that my mother-in-law prepared as well. So what I prepared, which was like chicken potato salad. That's usually what I prepare for Christmas and New Year's. So Thursday was of course Christmas Day, and it was just a lazy day at home, which I really love. It's like these days I'm like I just want to stay at home and play with my planners and stickers and notebooks. So I did binge watch. What did I watch? Oh, Department Q. I think this was on Netflix, and it's like a detective series. I just love this detective series, and he's like this guy who's been forgotten, and then he gets to figure out stuff that's happened. So I love those. And then I was able to film, of course, Another Plan with Me. Great, yes. Oh, and then we're now on to the 26th, where I was able to buy some books. Where did I go buy books? Oh, we went to Barnes& and Noble because they had their 25% off. So that's what we did. We got some Starbucks, and then on Saturday, I was able to read Babel. So Babel is such a great book. It's by R.F. Kuang. I just love it. It's just so it feels so current to what's happening right now, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like a historical book, but up to now it's still happening. Whatever happened on there is like still happening now, and it's not good. Anyways, I did binge watch Department Q again, and then I think we're now on Sunday, and I finished reading Night and the Moth, another fantasy book. And yeah, I think, wow, I skipped over a lot. Just talking about books and whatever I watched. So yeah, that was my Christmas week. This is so pretty. I just love the kits from Graceful Muse Paperie, and I have a lot of leftover that I can use for my journals. And yeah, this is it for my 2025 kits or spreads. Yay! I'm finally done with my 2025 year. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in 2026. Bye.